Hello, good afternoon and welcome back to the Housebourns World YouTube channel. I'm here to make this very quick video to say a sincere thank you to you all of you out there who have subscribed and supported me so far. I have now hit that halfway mark of the 1,000 milestone with 500 subscribers. Thank you very much to you guys out there for that. I went from 400 subs to 500 subs very quickly when my very first Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 video featuring the Xbox 360 controller blew up. If you check out the top corner there, I'll link that up above. Now in these little 100 subs milestone videos to 1,000 subs, I've been doing some Lego Speed Champions builds. But because I'm halfway there, I decided we need to do something a little bit different and maybe a bit more special. Right, I'm stopping the video right here, right now. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Come on, help support me to hit that 1,000 milestone. But anyway, as I was saying, for 500 subs, I decided to do something a bit different, and it's all coincided and worked out. Back in March, I was watching a lot of model building videos and I was influenced to rekindle a childhood pastime, and the level of detail and finish on models these days surpasses anything that I'd done when I was a child. And to rekindle my passion, I went onto the airfix website and picked up a McDonnell Douglas F-15A model starter kit. Now I am going to do the build for 500 subs, but because of how much time and preparation and the difficulty of this, I want this to come out looking real good. I'm going to do this over the Christmas period because I'm going to have more time then than I will have in the weeks coming up. So once again, thank you very much. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're subscribed, spread the word and let's take us forward. Thank you very much for all your support so far. I will link my social media up above. And just very quickly to let you know, on the channel we have the HP Reverb G2 coming, we have Microsoft Flight Simulator in VR coming, and we have, new to the channel, coming very soon on release, Cyberpunk 2077 live streams. I'm going to have to live stream it because of how big and intense the game is. It would take too long to edit those videos. So you're going to see me live on screen. Come join in if you're interested in that. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this. Thank you very much for 500 subs. And here's to 600. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in more videos to come. Peace out.